In this video, I'm going to show how the DDJ 1000 using Record Box from Pioneer DJ works in the beat jump mode. So I'm going to push the beat jump button right here. And you can see that inside of the software, it will show me what all the pads are already assigned to. So these top two are going to be either one beat to the left or one beat to the right. And this is now 2. This is going back for 2. This is going to be 4. So back for 4, bottom left. This one's going to be 4 forward. And it's doing it in beats. There's 4 beats in a bar. So the 4 is actually 1 bar. And on the bottom right, these 2. It's for 8 bars left, 8 bars right. If I use my page button, I can now move over and do much larger amounts. So now my bottom right is 128.
Carve our names in the birch late night.